Hey guys, welcome back to Coaster Jack. We are here at Great America for the 50th anniversary day. That's right, today is Great America's 50th birthday. So hopefully the Wizard's running for the first time today. We'll see if the fountains are running, we'll see if the flag store is running, we'll check on the construction progress on the kids areas and the go-kart areas, all that stuff. Come along, have fun, like and subscribe, do all that jazz, and let's go.
Head over to Old Town by 11 a.m. for our 50th anniversary bash today. Thank you so much. We're celebrating our
50th anniversary bash today. So all these people are lined up to get into the museum to check it out. All right, well, the park opens up today at 10:30. It's about 10:05, and they're just holding us off and not letting us by until the park opens up. There are a lot of people waiting to get inside that museum. Holy cow, and they have a lot of decorations up. That looks fantastic. All right, they've opened up the gates. We're gonna try and get on that Wizard. Well, the Wizard still has some yellow construction tape on it. The park just announced this morning that the American Eagle is gonna be racing side by side starting June 20th. It hasn't run side by side in over a decade. There's a guy climbing down the Sky Striker. And the park did announce today that the American Eagle will be running side by side starting on June 20th. And they're actually testing it now. We're giving away these cute little birthday hats to celebrate America's birthday, 50th anniversary. Pretty cool. Well, it's not very crowded here at Great America yet. I'm waiting for Goliath to open up. And I love the old music, the old school Great America music. They had the national anthem. They had a live four-person quartet. Two of the four. What were the guys called?
The other
Four of a kind.
Four of a
So
kind.
we're two of a kind.
Here's the two of the kind or the four of the kind. They sang the anthem live this morning, and it was fabulous. Thank you guys so much.
Right.
And they have cupcakes. Holy cow! I was not expecting a cupcake. Look at how cool that is. Thank you so much.
I like chocolate.
We have vanilla and chocolate cupcakes with blue sprinkles. Yummy, yum, yum. They're doing all kinds of media events today inside the firehouse.
You guys get a private performance.
Tell me when.
It's all yours. I'm gonna ride.
Riding that chariot in the morning, Lord.
I'm gonna ride.
Riding that chariot in the morning, Lord.
I'm getting ready.
I'm getting ready for the judgment day. My Lord, my Lord. Are you ready, my brother? Oh, yeah. Ready for the journey? Oh, yeah. Wanna meet your maker? Oh, yeah. I'm waiting for the chariot 'cause I'm ready to go.
I'm gonna ride.
Riding that chariot in the morning, Lord.
I'm gonna ride.
Riding that chariot in the morning, Lord.
I'm getting
I'm getting ready for the judgment day. My Lord, I never will forget that day. Riding in the chariot to see my Lord, when all my sins were taken away. Riding in the chariot to see my Lord.
I'm gonna
Ride in the chariot in the morning, Lord. Ride in the chariot in the morning, Lord. I'm getting ready for the judgment day. My Lord, I'm gonna ride in the chariot in the morning, Lord. Ride in the chariot in the morning, Lord. I'm getting ready for the judgment day. I'm going to see the sky, to see the sky. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
So these were the guys that sang the national anthem at the park this morning. These are the same 4 guys that opened the park when they opened 50 years ago on this very day.
Absolutely correct.
4 of a kind. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you.
All right, we're going to Yukon territory, and I have some sad news. Mr. Cup lost his drink cover. Yeah. I was running around and I looked around and it was gone. Tried to find it. Gone. Oh well. Time to get a new drink cover. All right, let's take a look at the old go-kart area. Oh yeah, they are working on it. Oh yeah, there's people in there working on it right now. Let's see if I can get a better view over here. Wow, pretty cool. They're getting it ready. All right, now that it's died down quite a bit, we can go ahead and take a look inside the store here, the store/museum for the 50th anniversary of Great America. So in this first part, we have a whole bunch of merch here that we get to see, celebrating Six Flags 50th birthday, like this design here. And they have some nice retro designs as well. Those are pretty neat. I like those a lot. You got some shirts and glasses. I really like this design right here. This one's pretty cool. I think I'm going to pick up one of these shirts for myself. But if you walk on over here to the back section, this is where they have all the old memorabilia from the park. There's an old video that used to play on the TVs back in the day. Iron Wolf, the whirligig signs, all kinds of cool stuff. Mr. Six. Wow, look at that old sign.
Didn't wear any of those outfits.
And in the middle of the room, you've got this giant model of the eagle, which is really neat to look at. It does have some damage on there, though. I can imagine this thing is pretty old. Oh no, one of the coasters fell off the track. Here's my thumbnail.
That's totally wrong. Maybe back in that day.
Look at, there's Mr. Six. You could have a Mr. Six bobblehead. I wonder if that's his real shoes. Pretty neat. Oh, they got some blueprints here from some of the old rides. Look it. Pretty cool. So yeah, it's good to see that this store is finally open. So if you come on down to Six Flags Great America, come check it out. Nice little bag you can have. Put all your stuff in. That's pretty neat. You got some hats and bottles. And saltwater taffy. Oh, this is a pretty cool looking bottle. Check this out. Wow. I like that. So if you have a chance, stop by the Emporium and check out all the old memorabilia from the park. It's pretty neat. Well, I just checked again at the Lost and Found and no one's turned in my drink cover. I'm pretty bummed out. I've had that thing for at least 6 or 7 years. It's been to so many parks with me. And the worst part is they don't sell them anymore. They stopped selling them a couple years ago. So I don't know what I'm going to do. Yeah, there's just nothing going on here at the Whizzer. They got some yellow caution tape up. So I'm being very careful. But I don't see any people working on it or nothing. There's no testing going on. I was really hoping that it would be running today. But if you see that track, I don't know if you guys can tell on the camera, it's nice and clean, fresh and spanking new, fresh green paint on that track that goes around the spiral lift. I don't know if you guys can make that out. But that is nice and clean compared to the rest of the track, nice and shiny. So that's one of the pieces, one of the 14 new pieces on the Whizzer. But it doesn't look like she's gonna run today. So they are running both sides of the Eagle, but they're not running them side by side just yet. They said on June 20th they're going to start running the Eagle side by side. And the Space Cows are still not running. Well, yeah, Ricochet. I call them the Space Cows. But they're not running yet. All right, we're going to take a little break at Steelworks Pub here. And if you remember last year they didn't have spaghetti, but I'm glad to report that spaghetti is back. We're gonna have some spaghetti today. And not only do they have pizza, but they have lasagna, spaghetti, meatball sub sandwich, and it comes with garlic sticks. Looks so good. And the spaghetti is really good. All right, well, I sure hope you do get a chance to come out to Six Flags Great America this season. They're really doing a great job. I got myself one of those new shirts for the 50th. Please check out some of the shirts at coasterboyshirts.com. We're really excited to bring you some of these designs. It really helps support the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.